Well, it's raining into my beautiful trench. It's going to be raining all day, turning into thunderstorms. My beautiful little hydraulic jack getting covered up with water. Oh well, I thought I was. It's warm today, but it's just full of water. Can't do anything. I did last night. I got back about 3:30 with this plywood. There's some more there. The same plywood I'm going to use on my subfloor. So I thought I would get it early and I would put it up on the wall to stiffen the wall so that I can jack from this point right here to take out this middle jack, and hopefully the wall would be stiff enough with that plywood on it so that it wouldn't sag in between, and I can lay blocks all the way across between that point there with the new wood and this point where this jack is. I'm going to put another piece of plywood up here in between the two, and hopefully that will stiffen the wall enough. Meanwhile, it's raining, and I'm fixing to go to town alone. See ya! Oh no, now it's even more full. Went in the house to take care of my computers, save my files and stuff. I'll come out an hour later, and it's even more full. Well, what can you do? I saw that there was the end of the extension cord was almost in the water. All I could do was unplug it. Pull it out of there. Okay, well, again, see ya.